Bitcoin is bouncing right now at this specific level. Why are we seeing this bounce, and could we actually be predicting this bounce beforehand? Guys, I want to talk about that in today's video. I also want to talk about what could be the next trade in the Bitcoin price. Where should you open the next long position? Where should you open the next short position? Guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now, let's jump into the Bitcoin price action. Before we are zooming in, of course, guys, make sure to smash up that like button. Very much appreciated. And yeah, first of all, I want to go over to Twitter, guys. I want to share a couple of tweets. First of all, yesterday we got a very nice signal from Will Portal Twitter with an extreme take a buy sell ratio. We almost got this at the bottom, guys. After this big green candle, we got that major extreme of the take a buy sell ratio, and eventually the price of Bitcoin increased another 3%. I've also shared it on my own Twitter. What was interesting yesterday, guys, is that we were seeing negative funding rates, and the previous time that we have seen negative funding rates, the price actually went up. As you can see right here, we were in an uptrend back then. Now we're in a short-term downtrend, so that's slightly different. However, it is interesting that during these negative funding rates that we have seen right here, the price of Bitcoin also went up. So guys, when we have a look at Will Portal, we can see that yesterday already early we could see that the buying pressure was starting to increase, but later on, when Bitcoin pumped, we saw also an increase in the buying pressure. The funding rates, Bitcoin collateral, are back to positive. That is important to note. We went from negative, now we're back to positive. Yeah, just a quick reminder, guys, but it is very nice or very important that you follow Will Portal and me over on Twitter, because we are sharing very valuable information. And guys, I gotta say this, and let me know in the comment section if you agree or not, but since Will Portal has been developed, as of now, what we got right now, the charts that we have, trading became a hell a lot of easier than before. Because right now, if you want to trade in a shorter term time frame, before it's actually quite difficult to get a grip on the markets. I think with Will Portal, it's definitely way more easier to get a grip on the markets and to enter a trade with more confidence. But of course, we always have to combine it with price structure. That is also very important. So why did Bitcoin bounce from this level? Well, I can tell you exactly why. If we measure the Fibonacci retracement from the bottom right here till the top, then we bounced exactly at the Fibonacci golden ratio, and right now we are getting exactly rejected from the 50% at 21,400. So this is also the zone that Bitcoin is trading right now. We are trading between these two Fibonacci zones, the 50% and the 61.80%. As you can see, this has been a significant level in the past as well. So shorter term time frame, you want to be looking at this specific levels. Let me make that green. And if we were to break out to the upside, of course, we have to break 21,400. The next level to watch right here is going to be 22,000 US dollars. But if you want to become a little bit more midterm bullish, let's call it midterm, then I think Bitcoin definitely have to break above 22,000 US dollars. So that is the main level that I'm watching to the upside. I think if Bitcoin breaks 22,000 US dollars with a nice momentum candle, I think it can be a nice opportunity to long Bitcoin. And then going long, of course, with the intention that if Bitcoin breaks back below 22k, that invalidates the long, and then you stop your position. The next short for me would be if Bitcoin breaks below these lows of 61.80% at 20,800. We definitely could see a further drop in the Bitcoin price. I think at least to 20,000 US dollars, and maybe even coming down to 18.6k. Those are nice trades if you trade them with leverage, of course. If we drop back to 20,000 US dollars, that would be a trade of roughly 3.5%. Of course, if that would be with a 10x leverage, that would be 35%. Honestly, I'm not using that often, a 10x leverage. Most of the time, I'm using a 3 to 5x leverage. That works the best for me. I always say if you are trading with leverage, you are also leveraging up your emotional state. So that is very important that you are able to handle that. If you already feel too emotional when trading on the spot market, then it's better not to touch leverage, as your emotional state will also be leveraged. And guys, if you haven't done so already, make sure to smash up the like button down below. And for all the traders out there who are interested in trading Bitcoin or a variety of altcoins or even different markets, I have a couple of exchanges that I'm recommending down below this video. The first exchange is the Bybit exchange, where you can trade Bitcoin and a variety of altcoins. You can trade on the spot market, but you can also trade with leverage. The good thing with Bybit is that you have several stable coins, so you can use a USDC and USDT. If you sign up using my affiliate link and you meet the deposit requirements, you will get a bonus of $4,500 and you will get a discount on your fees. The Femix platform is quite similar as to Bybit. It only has a little bit less liquidity, but I like to spread my odds and like to have accounts on multiple exchanges. So I also use the Femix platform to trade Bitcoin and a variety of altcoins, either on the spot market and with leverage. Actually, the interesting thing with Femix is that on the spot market, you can trade without any fees. So that is quite nice. If you sign up with the sign up link down below, you can get an additional bonus of $1,200. And the Prime XBT exchange is a little bit a different exchange than Femix and Bybit. You can trade Bitcoin and all that stuff and a lot of altcoins, but they offer even more trading pairs. You can trade gold, you can trade oil, you can trade the S&P 500, all with using Bitcoin as collateral. Right now, they also have the biggest bonus going on. You can get an additional deposit bonus up to $7,000 specific for subscribers for the blockchain today. All of these links are basically specific for subscribers from the blockchain today. So for all the traders interested in that, you can find these links and join one of these exchanges if you like that. And below these exchange links, guys, we have the Will Portal website. We have a link to my cryptocurrency trading course, but also to the Twitter accounts, which is very important to follow. That is my Twitter account, and that is the Twitter account of Will Portal. Guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I want to wish all of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see all of you in the next video.